Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your messages in the Brainly app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. And here we tap on messages. And here we will find the list of the people that we are messaging, that we are talking to. And here we can see the messages that we have. And yeah, here we can respond, we can answer some questions, we can talk to our friends with whom we are using this app, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.